like fireman's turkey party, and mixed weather is next.
What's so funny, Larry? That was taken from someone's cell phone. However, if you want to introduce me, feel free. Just grab a cell phone and do it.
That's your original transmission when you first started your career?
Yeah, my original transmission when I first started my career. Tonight, rain and snow mix east of Binghamton. Everything happens east. Tomorrow, more clouds than sun, but at least we'll be dry. And for the rest of the week, fair skies and milder. That mixed precipitation, at least it's a little bit better right now as I speak than it was earlier. It's showing it changing over to all rain. Now, Delaware County along Route 17, that's still showing some freezing rain and some sleet over there, right about there, that area right there. New York State Police are reporting a lot of slick spots out there and a few fender benders, so heads up on that. And then along the thruway east of Syracuse, they're getting some snow showers up there, and then of course the foothills of the Adirondacks, so be careful out there. It's a lousy low pressure system along the New Jersey coast, and I'm not very happy about it. Not New Jersey, the low pressure system, and it's spinning back unsettled a weather pattern for our area. Let's go outside. We're at 37 degrees. The wind's a little breezy out of the northwest at 12. Barometer holding steady, humidity sky high, and the dew points at 30. Here's more temps in and around the... Oh, there's the almanac. I forgot about that. Do you care? 43 was the best we could do today. 32 for our overnight low. Averages, 47 and 33, pretty much on target. Records, 67 and 75. And it looks like back in 1992, it was a huddled, cuddle night, down to 17 degrees. And since we changed the clocks, look at that. It's going to bed at 4:48. Here's more temps in and around the region. Buffalo 40 with clearing skies. Rochester 36 with clearing skies. We'll give them a cookie. We'll be next, though. Syracuse still with some light rain, 42. And who do you know in Romulus, New York? Another town that can keep its secrets. Here's how it sets up, everyone, for tomorrow. That storm, that's going to be out of here. We're going to have a little swath of dry air. Yeah, the clouds, they'll still be with us, but at least it'll be dry. And look at this, milder air in New York State reunited. And it feels so good. Hey, here's a little sneak peek of Veterans Day. Look at this. We got a nice swath of mild air and dry air, and that's going to last right until, wait for it, it's going to last until Saturday. Yes, it's true. Get out. Oh, yes, it is. This forecast is dedicated to anyone who's ever found paradise under the dashboard lights, and we'll take it from there. Brisk with some drizzle and some sleet and wet snow east of Binghamton, 34. And then for tomorrow, mostly cloudy, some slices of sun, and it'll just be dry, 47. And then tomorrow night, there's the clearing skies, but we're still going to have a north wind getting us a little chilly out there, 35, and we're coming right back with a 5-day.
It is said, never gives up her dead when the skies of November turn gloomy.
Larry, you were always fond of that storm.
Yes, very fond.
Yep.
I'm not fond of you, though, Nick.
He's not fond of me. That was the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. For Wednesday, fair skies and milder for Veterans Day 55. Friday, put the flip-flops back on. Close to 60 degrees, as Suzanne applauds. And fair Saturday 55, but there might still be some slick spots out there, folks, so heads up on that. Okay, guys.
You're pretty slick yourself, Nick. Section 4 football season might be over with, but that doesn't